Oh, way to go. Dancing Giselle jumps quick out of the gate, putting up Gentle Irony. My Hope now running in third and followed by Zantan Tony and Botbo. Passing the winning pose, Gentle Irony leads by half a length, followed by Dancing Giselle. Three lengths back to My Hope, long way back Zantan Tony and Botbo, who's still running in the tail of the fielder. Out of straight they travel, it is Gentle Irony, leads by some 2 lengths now, Dancing Giselle running second, 2.5 lengths in third is My Hope, then followed by Santan Tony and Botbo by some 6 lengths. Down the half mile they travel, Gentle Irony leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Dancing Giselle. Coming close now in third is My Hope. 6 lengths behind to Santan Tony and Botbo, who's still running in the tail of the fielder. Inside the last 600, Gentle Irony, here comes My Hope. Not the outside, towards the last 400. Gentle Irony leads by half a length. Challenge now from My Hope. Not the outside as they hit the final turn. Gentle Irony, My Hope. Not the outside, My Hope. Takes up the running by half a length. Gentle Irony drops back to second. And Santan Tony running in third, but Dancing Giselle, but still My Hope. And finally is My Hope, Gentle Irony, Santan Tony, Botbo, and Dancing Giselle.